Welcome! Are you ready to transform your content creation processes? Let's dive into a game-changing concept: AI orchestration for creative workflows. In today's fast-paced digital world, efficiency in content creation is crucial. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or part of an organization, streamlining workflows can significantly enhance your productivity. Imagine automating your content processes. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality with AI orchestration. The aim? To improve collaboration among teams while integrating technology seamlessly into your workflows. First, let's discuss the discovery stage. Here, we create a single source of truth. By gathering business strategies, audience insights, brand guidelines, and performance metrics, we ensure everyone stays aligned. This helps maintain consistency and effectively utilize resources. Next is the ideation and concept formulation. AI agents come into play, generating various content ideas based on what we've discovered. With tools like large language models, AI suggests themes and headlines tailored to your audience while adhering to brand guidelines. Now, we move to prompt design and orchestration. Clear prompts guide AI agents, reducing ambiguity in content generation. Tailored prompts help achieve specific outcomes, ensuring creativity aligns with strategic objectives. Then, we reach the content drafting and generation stage. Here, AI produces first-pass content across various formats. From blog posts to videos, AI creates high-quality drafts quickly, allowing teams to focus on refining instead of starting from scratch. After drafting, we enter the automated review and refinement phase. AI checks for grammar, style, and compliance, reducing human error. This significantly improves output quality with less oversight. Now, we optimize for engagement and SEO. AI integrates key SEO practices into content, enhancing discoverability. Tools like SEMrush and Market Muse help ensure your content reaches the right audience effectively. Next is personalization and audience targeting. Content is tailored for specific segments using data-driven insights, boosting engagement and conversion rates. AI crafts messages based on user behavior and preferences. In the multimodal content integration stage, we combine text, audio, and visuals. This creates cohesive deliverables, essential for maintaining brand identity across various media types. Afterward, during the distribution workflow and scheduling phase, we automate publishing across channels. Adjusting formats and schedules optimizes reach and ensures your message connects with the right audience at the right time. Finally, we arrive at analytics feedback loops and continuous enhancement. Performance metrics inform future content strategies and refine AI models. Understanding what worked allows for continuous improvement. To sum up, implementing an AI orchestration framework revolutionizes traditional workflows. With improved quality, speed, and scalability, you can expect measurable returns on investment and increased engagement. Ready to revolutionize your content workflows? Integrate AI agents into your processes today and unlock creativity and efficiency like never before. Be sure to like and subscribe. Check out the links below.